Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall the Microsoft Edge browser if the uninstall option is grayed out and unavailable in the modern user interface settings. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up a start menu here and type in File Explorer. Best match should come back with File Explorer listed right above App. So go ahead and just left click on that. Select this PC on the left side and then double click on your local disk where Windows is installed on, and there should be a little Windows icon right above the hard drive. So double click on that. Do the same thing now for the Program Files folder. You want to locate the Microsoft folder, double click on it, and do the same thing for the Edge folder. And then finally, there should be an application folder listed in there, so just go ahead and double click on that. Now there should be a folder near the top that has a number in it. So you see it says 84 in my case. That is the version or build number of Microsoft Edge at this present time that I'm recording this video. You're going to go ahead and double click on whatever that folder is listed there. And now that we are here, we're going to go double click on the installer folder. And now up at the top bar, we're going to go ahead and click inside of this area. And we're just going to delete whatever's in here. So it's highlighted. We're just going to backspace over it or press the delete key on your keyboard. Type in CMD. And then you're going to select the little arrow next to it to search that. And now there's going to be a command in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it from the description of my video. And then just right click on the top bar of the command prompt window here. Select edit and then select paste to paste it in. Hit enter. If you receive the user account control prompt, select yes. And now you see Microsoft Edge has gone away. So if you restart your computer, again, there shouldn't be Edge still on your device. Please keep in mind that there will be an option to go ahead and reinstall it. Edge is available online as a download for Windows 7 devices, so obviously there are ways to get it back. And in all likelihood, there will be a newer build of Windows 10 that will come out that will reinstall the Edge browser once again. For the time being, it has been removed from our computer. Restart your device, and that should pretty much be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.